Hey buddies, Jaromsz here.
So for today's video, we are going to do a tutorial on how to purchase Globe eSIM. First, you need to install Globe One app from Play Store. Once you have the app, click it to open. Click Create an account. Input your Globe mobile number here and click Continue. Once you receive the one-time PIN, just input it here. Set up your preferred PIN and click I agree. You can just skip this one and do this later. Then click Essentials. Under the Globe connection, click Prepaid eSIM. If there's a check mark on the step 1, just click Get eSIM and continue. Input here your email address and click the Select Payment Method. Two payment options will be given. You can just select one and click Purchase eSIM. You need to input your GCash account here and pay the 99 pesos. So that's it, you have successfully purchased your Globe eSIM. After that, go to your email address for the instructions on how to install your eSIM on your mobile phone. So you will receive an email just like this, just follow the instructions. Just go to the settings of your phone, then click Connections. Click SIM Manager. Click Add eSIM. Click Scan QR Code. You can just get a QR code from your email. So that's it, you have already installed your eSIM on your mobile phone. Don't forget to register it.
So that's it for today. See you next tutorial buddies.